Here, Matagorda Beach in Texas on the backside, bay side over here. Doing a little sail line fishing today. We did some last night, did pretty good. Well, we're gonna do some more today. But you can see it, Portman sail line. I used electric reel, electric extension cord reel, put my line on. Some people use electric motors and all that. That's cool. We send one line out, got another one to send out, and then we use the kayak, run, paddle out, and check them, take the fish off, so we don't have to reel them in every time.